Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Iridium supply risks are reshaping the choices for electrolyzer technology in the green hydrogen sector. With a staggering cost of $160,000 per kilogram and 87% of the supply coming from a single country, the focus on supply chain management has never been more critical. The supply challenge in green hydrogen is significant, with traditional PEM electrolyzers requiring 0.3 to 0.7 kilograms of iridium per megawatt. Currently, the potential capacity is only 30 gigawatts, but rapid scale-up is needed to reach 100 gigawatts by 2030, highlighting a 3 to 4 times capacity growth with concentrated supply. Iridium's critical role is underscored by its status as the most corrosion-resistant metal on Earth, essential for PEM electrolyzer anodes in acidic environments. It's 1,000 times rarer than gold, with no viable substitutes for PEM catalysts, and is crucial for harsh conditions like sulfuric acid electrolysis. Since 2020, iridium prices have surged by 200%, driven by growing demand for electrolyzers and a concentrated supply. Prices have jumped from $53,000 per kilogram to $157,000, reflecting the intense pressure on the market. The extreme concentration of iridium supply is evident, with 87.8% coming from South Africa alone. This single country control poses a significant geopolitical risk, as any disruption could affect global production. The real challenge of supply concentration is highlighted by the 2030 targets, which require 30 to 70 tons of total iridium. With 87% of the supply from South Africa, the annual production of 8 to 9 tons and a supply timeline of 4 to 5 years create a vulnerability in the supply chain. Iridium represents 20 to 25% of PEM stack costs, translating to about 10 to 15% of total electrolyzer system costs. While 2023 stack costs range from $20 to $35 per megawatt, the challenge remains in managing price volatility from concentrated supply. The industry is successfully responding to iridium dependency with breakthroughs in catalyst optimization, alternative technologies, and recycling programs. These efforts have led to a decline in iridium intensity per megawatt, despite price increases. The great technology pivot is underway, with companies racing to develop iridium-free solutions. From traditional PEM to emerging technologies like alkaline and EM, the focus is on improving efficiency and commercial viability. The market is seeing clear winners and losers due to iridium shortages. Traditional PEM faces high iridium dependency, while low iridium technologies like ITM Neptune and NEL Advanced offer significant advantages. Zero iridium solutions present opportunities for companies like McPhy and ThyssenKrupp. Geopolitical power shifts are at play, with control of South African iridium equating to control of the green hydrogen future. Supply disruptions or political instability could halt global electrolyzer production, while strategic stockpiling by China adds another layer of complexity. Investment and planning considerations are crucial, with supply concentration creating manageable but real project risks. Strategies include planning for supply chain resilience through price volatility management, lead time extensions, and technology diversification with low iridium alternatives. A case study of a European green steel project illustrates the impact of supply chain disruption. With an original budget of €500 million for a 200 megawatts electrolyzer, the iridium cost impact was €60 million, leading to a 6-month delay. The solution was diversifying to low iridium technology and securing long-term contracts. The iridium crisis is accelerating innovation, compressing technology development from 10 years to 5 years. This rapid pace is driving breakthroughs in the industry, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The new circular economy is emerging, with iridium recycling becoming a $2 billion industry. With a 95% recovery rate and a 20-year system lifespan, the value of materials recovered is significant, paving the way for the first wave of recycling by 2030. 3 realistic pathways forward include constrained scenarios with slow innovation, balanced progress with manageable transitions, and technology breakthroughs with significant iridium reduction. The most likely path is a steady progress with supply constraints solved. Critical decisions for developers involve choosing low iridium or iridium-free solutions, locking in long-term contracts at fixed prices, and building cost escalation buffers for risk management. A smart investment strategy involves avoiding high-risk traditional PEM, betting on alternatives like low iridium technologies, and diversifying supply with multiple technology pathways and suppliers. Supply constraints are driving innovation acceleration in hydrogen technology. With 70% maximum iridium reduction, a 3 to 5 year technology transition, and critical decisions needed by 2025-27, first movers will have a significant advantage. Navigating the Iridium transition requires mastering technology selection and supply strategy in the evolving hydrogen landscape. Learning strategies from leading developers can help future-proof hydrogen projects. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode and